Hey, I'm Isaac, and today I'm going to share exactly how I make $12,000 per month working as a nurse in California. I didn't always make this much though. Just months ago, I quit my staff job at another hospital where I got paid an average of $5,500 per month. I've nearly doubled my income now, so if you're ready to see how I did that, do me a favor and leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Hey, are you an aspiring nurse, married to a nurse, a current nurse, or just curious to know how to maximize your income with your degree? If so, you're at the right place, and my goal on this channel is to educate and inspire nurses to increase their earning potential through personal finance education. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So I've been working as a registered nurse in California for 4 years now, and I spent the first 3.5 years working for UCLA Health on a step-down unit. I had so many amazing experiences working for one of the top hospitals in the nation. But like many others, the recession of 2022, coupled with several life changes, including getting married, being the sole income earner for our family, took a major toll on our finances. I went from being able to save nearly $2,000 per month to barely saving a few hundred and literally going paycheck to paycheck. With an almost unnoticeable increase in my paycheck and the rising cost of living expenses, I decided I needed to act fast if we were ever going to have a shot at starting our real estate investing journey, which, spoiler alert, is actually our retirement plan. We plan to accumulate one property every year so that we can retire off of our rental income and set up our family for generations to come. So I joined a travel company, and within weeks I got a contract offer. Now, if any of you know my story, I've been bouncing between Sacramento and Los Angeles for the last few months and actually rent a place in both Sac and LA. So I was actually able to land a travel contract in LA using my Sacramento address as my primary residence. Alright, so enough of the stories, here's my paycheck, let's break it down. So here you can see that my base rate is $35 per hour and my overtime rate is $52.50 per hour. What the heck, Isaac, that's really low. Yeah, I know, but it's actually really advantageous because this is the taxable part of my paycheck. You'll notice I only paid a total of $408.91 in taxes, with $146 going to the Fed, $112 for Social Security, $26 for Medicare, and the remainder going to various California taxes. The juicy part is down here under the reimbursement section. I get $518 per week for food and $1,274 for my housing stipend. All in all, I made $3,200 this past week. My hours vary based on various modules, classes I'm assigned, as well as whether or not I add on shifts, but this is my average pay per week after taxes. Oh, and another thing is that I get paid weekly, and if you didn't pick that up earlier, wow, honestly, how much better is that than getting paid bi-weekly? And that's honestly the beauty of travel nursing. Yeah, the first week is an adjustment to unit routine, or in my case, getting floated every single day during just the second week of my contract. Work is busy, but honestly, I'd rather get paid to work hard instead of making a salary that barely allows me to cover my living expenses while working for a floor that continues to increase patient load and acuity with no reflection in pay. And in this case, stepping out of my comfort zone a bit while making more than double my old salary makes it 100% worth it. Anyways, I hope that some of you got some value out of this video, and at the very least, I want you to start having that conversation regarding the dollar value of your nursing experience. If you're a new grad or perhaps still in school, start considering how much you need to make monthly to afford your ideal lifestyle. You're in such an awesome profession that has the potential to be extremely lucrative and that has made many millionaires. Consider the various career paths that you would take that can help you achieve these goals, whether it be travel nursing, managerial positions, nurse anesthetists, etc. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also, to follow along on my journey to becoming a millionaire nurse, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you all next week. Peace.